Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about my experience taking physics. So whatever physics class you're taking, just realize physics is hard, and if you're not understanding it, you're not alone. It's actually like a hard class, and I struggle with it personally. So for me, I'm a computer science major, and then we actually have to take a physics class in order to graduate with our degree. It's gonna be part of a required math class. So we have to take Calc 1, Calc 2, and then we have to take General Physics Mechanics, which for me I took Physics 11A. You could take like a lower level physics class, but it would be like algebra based, and you need a calculus based physics. So I had to take this physics class. And for me, when I first started taking physics, it was actually pretty hard because I was always told by my mentors like this is a hard class. Schedule like easy, lighter classes so you could take this class and actually have a lot of time to focus on it. So I did, but I didn't realize it was like this much reading. So when I first started taking it, I was pretty lost, and it didn't help that there was like people like straight out of high school who had taken like AP physics, and like they were like pretty much super ahead, and they already knew like all the basic concepts we were talking about. And for me, I was just lost. So for me, I had to put in like double the work to be on their level. So when I first started taking it, I was actually pretty like, I don't know, not depressed, but I was like pretty sad because usually I'm used to like getting everything like first try, right? So I was actually kind of like bummed out that I was doing so bad in it. And I actually thought I was gonna drop the class, and then I was gonna like do a self study and then take it next semester so I could graduate, because this is one of our required classes. If I don't like pass and finish this class, I can't graduate. And if I can't graduate, I can't get a good job. And if I can't get a good job, I can't get my mom a house. So I was actually pretty depressed. So then I realized I have two options. I either drop the class and then study by myself and come back next semester and then pass it, or I could double down and do twice the amount of work super hard, and then pass it this semester and graduate on time. So I chose the latter. So I decided I'm gonna read every chapter once, take notes, read it again, take notes, watch YouTube videos on it, in order to understand the subject. So I did exactly that. I would like read the week's like chapter a week before, so I could be ahead, and then so I could be like with AP Physics students, so I could be on their level, right? So I did that, and then I ended up passing this class with a B plus, which is actually pretty good. I just wanted a 70. I wanted to C, just so I could like pass and move on and complete my degree, right? And then so I actually ended up getting a B plus, and it turns out like I was put in a group with like one of the smartest like girls in the class, and then like how would I say this? I was trying to catch up to her, but she was like at the top of the class. Everyone else was at my level. I just didn't realize it because not everyone took AP Physics and got like a 5 on the AP exam. Only a couple people did. But I'm thankful that I was put into that class because it made me feel like almost dumb in a way, right? Which that motivated me to like do double the work, to work harder than so I could pass this class. And because of that, I ended up getting a pretty good grade. It's still gonna hurt my GPA a little bit because I'm like a 3.85 kind of guy. But I ended up actually understanding the subject and then actually enjoying it because I put in the work. Because like when you know something, it's fun, right? I don't know if you ever taken like a math class, like a calc class, and like you don't understand the subject, so it's hard and it's stressful. But when you know it, and then you could talk to people about it, and then like you could like have like a like genuine conversation why you think it's this or why you think it's that. It's actually pretty fun. So after doing all the work and all that, I just want to make this quick video to like tell you that this is a hard class. Like if you're struggling, just realize I struggled, and I'm not a dumb person. You just have to put in the time and the work, the effort, read the chapter, watch YouTube videos on when you don't understand, and then you'll get it. It's like anything in life. If you put in the work, you understand it.